All right, back for some more videos. I think I did 10. I'm going to try to do 10 more. I've never done 20 videos in a day. Losing my mind here. Got something to eat, some coffee. Trying to break all these down. Something different. It's a Sunday. It's snowing here. I'm in Philadelphia. Not a lot to do when it's a snowstorm. So let's take a look. Let's start off with SLS. All right, Celius Life. I think this used to be Gale. I could be wrong, but 8 million float, small float, 64 million market cap. No news recently on this. Clinical stage biopharma, novel cancer immunotherapies, various cancer indications in the United States. That's what they deal with. You can see on the daily here, this had the big drop back in 2019. Really flattened out, had a split. Went down to this level, like 150, bounced the 4, came back down, really exploded. This was on 12/9, and then excuse me, 12/10. Look at this. This went up to 19. Big move. Then we dropped. Yeah, the volume faded off. Went sideways. We've been holding like 6 above this 5 level for a while now. Oversold again. See, it's staying above. This isn't going below really 5 right now. It's not just dropping off. So really it's been, I'd say, this 550 support. So what will this do now? Well, if we get any news, something happens here, I think we can go up to 7, probably 9 short term, unless it's a big move like that again. And your support here, look going back. You have a big line at 4. Look at this line at 4. So that's pretty strong low. If we fall back there, it could be a good buy. Volume decrease. So you had the spike, then it's like quiet. It's almost like a sniper. You had one shot. Now we're just going silent for the next move. So what's the next move? It looks like we could go up here, sort of in between. So keep a watch on this. If news comes out, this will definitely rock it. SLS. Excuse me. MTC. Let's check that out. This is a technology software. 7 million float, small float, 40 million market cap. No, this hasn't had news since October on FinViz. Deploys platforms, financial institutions to engage in security market transactions. People, Republic of China. Wow. There's been no news in this. That's really crazy. At least they didn't put it on here. So in May, June, this thing exploded to 750. Big run up. Came down this 75 level. Look at this 75 line right here. Right here. Bottomed out. Had a spike in October. Another one December. And then see this low? The low kept getting higher. It's nice when you have the low getting higher. This 250 line. It's pretty big right here. See this? Going back, 250. So it's still climbing up. See this pullback? This 3-day, 1, 2, or 4? Held a 2 very well. You have a green candle now. It's getting oversold. And the volume's pretty low. And this could break 250. Get above and test that 350 area where this candle is, the top wick. As this bounces up the low, see we're bouncing back, going up. The low's getting higher. You want 2 to hold, maybe maximum 175. You don't want this to drift down. So, like the way the chart's going. It's going up. There's nothing, bad here. It's even though the red candles were holding that, 20 EMA. So this is looking good. No news. Very strange. It's a China stock, though. Got to be careful with this stock. BIMI. Let's check out BIMI. $8 million float. Income minus 0.20 million. 23 million market cap. No news in this either. Engages wholesale distribution, pharmaceutical, healthcare products in China. Other China play. So this came down from 2019, 2020. The high was getting lower. The low's been holding at 150. See this back and forth, back and forth. So it's a descending triangle with all these spikes. The low's holding. And then, yeah, where are we at now exactly? Well, we're at October. We're at a big spike hat, and then it just went flat. This thing goes silent. It makes spikes pretty much and goes flat. We're hugging this 175. We've been that way for 3 months. What's the next move on this? Well, 150's got to hold. If we fall flat here and this falls, you want that to hold to be a great bounce. Right now, indecision. We're gonna break, or what are we gonna do here? So, we got to get above two. If we do spike, I would look for see this trend line again. We're gonna go probably near it with a spike. So, 250 to 3 plus with a wick. So the back and forth spike, spikes on these as it continues to go down. So watch that. Nothing really doing right now though. Another China play, like sketchy news on BIMI. And in all these videos I'm doing, recently, probably the past 3 weeks, maybe a month, I've been doing like buy sell levels. Just looking at points where the stocks are. If they're low, what's the risk reward? I don't want anyone to go out and just buy stocks because I'm saying it. I've been studying charting for probably like 14 years, like technical analysis. Don't go out and just buy a stock because my video, like, oh, he said here it could go up. I'm not saying anything can do anything. No one knows exactly what anything can do. We just use it's like everything's risk reward, technical analysis. So we're just looking at levels. That's all it is. Like when a stock's low like this, a better chance to buy here. That's all I'm saying. Look at giving you the opportunity to look at these charts. If you know what you're doing, you're gonna understand what I'm saying. That's basically. If you're a newbie, just don't go. He said buy a two. It's gonna go here, and I'm not saying buy anything. You got to do your own analysis. There's guys on YouTube or wherever else you're saying on Twitter. He made 100,000 in one day. You have no idea what this guy's doing. I don't know. I see guys trade like 10 stocks in a day. He might be a genius. Maybe he's faking it. Maybe he's paper trading sometimes. You don't know what people are doing. It's all on the internet, especially in trading. You don't know what people are doing at all. They could have some crazy scheme going on. It's not hard to set up things, fake things, or that way. But mainly my stuff's educational. I'm not a $1 million trader or anything like that. So just looking at levels, technical analysis. People just talk about the fundamentals, which are good, but most of these stocks, technical analysis trumps fundamentals every day of the week when you see stocks move, because it's all algorithms, certain levels. Like look at the levels, like five. It's all dollar levels and half dollars. So that's what you got to look for when you're trading or whatever you're doing. All right, so that's it for this video. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades on YouTube. Hit the like button. Trade ideas, referral my link. Mike Frank 007 Twitter, TikTok Mike Frank III, Instagram Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades. That's it. Peace.